Okay guys, so this is my first video on my brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let me know if the video looks any better than my other Jack on the Go's. I'd love to know how it looks. I mean, I'll know when I'm editing it, but I'd love your input on it too. So anyway, we are at this place, Outback Steakhouse, and we are here to try their version of the Nashville hot wings. So they're serving up for a limited time, and if they're any good, I'll recommend it to you guys wherever you live, and you can finally find out what Nashville hot wings taste like. All right guys, so we're starting off. One of our sides is a salad. You get two sides with your steak combo and Nashville hot wings. So we chose a salad and asparagus for our meal. And I think Tammy's going with broccoli and what else?
A salad.
Oh, salad. Yeah, that's right.
But I got the shrimp.
Beautiful salad. It's a great little dinner salad right there. Okay, they must make the dressing homemade here because that's the best blue cheese I've ever had in years. Isn't that good? It's homemade, isn't it?
Yeah.
If not, I need to know where they're buying it. But that blue cheese, normally I don't talk about the dressing because it's just dressing, but that blue cheese is literally the best I've had in a few years. And the bloomin' onion that we got, it was well done, which means it was cooked a little bit longer than normal. And I love it that way. I didn't realize I like bloomin' onions cooked well done. Just so you know, that was amazing too. That came out really good. Just keep that in mind. When you order a bloomin' onion, you want to cook it a little bit longer, that's all. All right, so let's go to the chicken wings. Once again, they're a little on the small side, but they look beautiful. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks like the seasoning is what the Nashville hot is. So let's give that a try. I just want to warn you, it's a medium heat. Maybe a little bit hotter than a medium heat. I like medium normally. Wasn't ready for that, so I took a big bite of it. But my mouth's burning right now. The seasoning's really good. The seasoning's spot on. The asparagus cooked perfectly. The salad was amazing. My mouth's on fire though. So I'll let you know everything else when we get outside after we're done with this, okay? Okay, so Tammy gave me one of her shrimps to try out off of her combo. Because she got the steak and shrimp, I got my mouth's on fire. Guys, my mouth's on fire. So anyway, we're gonna try one of these shrimps right now. Okay, the shrimp's good. If your mouth's not burning, the shrimp's really good. I bet it's even better if your mouth's not on fire. Okay guys, so I want to run down everything. First of all, the Nashville hot wings, if your local restaurant is participating, they were spot on. Burned my mouth. They were a little hotter than I would have ordered had I been able to order levels, but they only have one heat level. It's the seasoning. That's it. So be ready. It is spicy. Would I say it's hot? I mean, it's not like if you went to Nashville Hot Place and ordered a hot Nashville hot chicken. It's more like if you said, I want medium with a little extra, if that makes sense. It's somewhere between medium and hot to me. But if you dip it in the blue cheese, or you dip it in ranch, or you dip it in dressing, or the Outback sauce, or whatever, it's totally different. It's not bad at all. There's no spiciness that's going to bother you or anything. So if it gets a little too spicy for you, dip your wings in something. All right, now that I've talked about the Nashville hot wings, the steak combo dinners are better than getting the wings as an appetizer. Get the steak combo with the steak and the wings. She got the steak and the shrimp. It was delicious. The steaks were cooked perfectly. I wanted medium rare. She did medium. My steak was on the small side, My chicken wings were on the small size. So, I mean, I'm seeing a lot of tiny chicken wings lately. So it must be an industry thing. So I'm not knocking Outback. I'm sure they're just grabbing what they can. So, but yeah, I was very pleased with the meal. The blue cheese, like I said, was flawless. The asparagus was grilled perfect. Everything was kind. Bo was a great server. So I mean, just enjoy. Go check it out. If you want to try Nashville hot wings, go to Outback. All right. So I give them an A-. The service was good. The flavor was good. And the cleanliness, it was clean all in there and everything. Football game was going on everywhere. So anyway, I love you guys. And that's my take. And we will see you on the next video.